Want a hands-off, diversified portfolio built for you? Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is their automated robo-advisor that manages everything based on your goals. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Start by answering a simple questionnaire about your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. The algorithm then builds a personalized ETF portfolio across up to 20 asset classes, including a cash allocation. Once funded, the service automatically rebalances your portfolio and tax loss harvests in taxable accounts to optimize your after-tax returns. There are no advisory fees, though the ETFs have their own minimal expenses. My crucial pro tip? Understand the cash allocation. The portfolio holds a portion in cash, sometimes 6 to 30%. This provides stability but may drag on returns during strong bull markets. Make sure you're comfortable with this built-in safety feature before investing. Let sophisticated algorithms do the heavy lifting while you focus on your life. Do you prefer a hands-on approach or a hands-off robo-advisor for your core portfolio? For more guides on automated investing, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.